Hello and welcome to my channel Tech Tested, and it's Shamino here. And today we are explore SiteGuru in the AppSimo lifetime deals for your site audit like SEM Rush, Oversuggest or Ahrefs. And here is the lifetime deals, and the lifetime deals are 60-day money back guarantee here. When one codes 79 websites one and 500 pages, you can lifetime access for this one code, and there is a two code, three code, four code, and this update. And for the 10 code 790 100, and it's 10 websites for and 5000 pages pages are audited for these lifetime deals. And this is SiteGuru, and here is the SiteGuru dashboard. And this dashboard I have to edit my two site here, and there is the option plus option, and you can also here in this click here and edit your site. Start new site audit or delete site here. And in this dashboard now I can go from the this site are site health. In the dashboard, 76% site health, and in the below my two site, this is 52% site health. Now I am going to the my one site. My this site is exploratorytools.com, 31 pages. Here is the show website analysis, site health, and Google clicks 93, site health 52% at the last 19 July. Focus keyword positions so, and who is position, this position is last 11 is better for me. And here is the top keywords, top pages, and technical to-do list, your content to-do list. This is technical to do, added structured data to your website. 70 pages was affected, improve page speed, 16 affected pages. You can click here for this pages improve assist, avoid internal redirection. Tailing slashes may cause duplicate content, slide issue, and medium impact. This is the medium impact. Technical structure, this is content. For content structure, 9 affected page high impact, this is the red color, and this is the yellow color. Red color are very high affected. This is very urgent to fix broken link, one affected page, and added alter text to your image, improve page title, set high heading on your pages. And in the site structure, all the pages and pages health also here, you can go for one by one in the below. Added more pages also you can hear. And this is the my where is the overview focus keyword. This is I am here in the focus keyword, inside keywords, all keywords, new keywords, low hanging fruit, branded keywords, all content. I am going here to all keyword. Here is the my all keyword, impressions, clicks, positions here. There's the all my keyword. Here is the percentage impression. This is the percentage. Outside top 10, top 10, 0, top 3, declined, track it keyword here. In this also low hanging fruit, there's no low hanging fruits. Also here in the camp, new keyword, lost keyword, branded keywords. Now I am going to the all content. There is an option in the all content here, impression and clicks, percentage, top 5 keywords, impression increasing or decreasing. Here we can choose, and the indirection indexed or not. Here is the this is not indexing and this is indexing. There is a problem for indexing. New content, no competing content, and also you also technical issue indexing, sitemap, canonical URLs, page speed, and here flag. This is the most important indexing. I am going through the indexing. Index celebrity 17 pages, Google index and status unknown 3 pages, crawled or submitted and indexed. Here is the indexing. Indexable, Google status, last scroll, ignore page, view report. This is all from the technical problem. There is the sitemap submitted. What is the 68 page not submitted? Canonical URLs. If there is any canonical issue, there is the show is canonical or not. This is the canonical Google canonical. There is no canonical issues here. The technical page speed, eliminated render blocking resources 17 pages, top speed recommended, reduce unused CSS. There is a needs improvement 16 page, good 1 page. And here is the page speed report. Okay, and now I am going to the structure data by page, a structured data validation report. Here's the links. Is there any internal links? One page space without internal link, picks in few internal. 10 pages are with internal links. Orphan pages, if there any orphan page, there's a big issue. One orphan page, there's no links, and this is the big issue for SEO. Broken links, broken links. And this is the two links are broken. I think this is not issue. Backlink insight. Here is the internal indirect article rewriter. 51 links are internal redirected. Found 71. Response 301. This there's no problem. 301 are selected. That's not a big deal, big issue. And now backlink insight. What is the backlink insight? Checking here. Here's the backlink. Update and update. Where is the backlink? Is this backlink are spammy? No, this backlink are spammy. This backlink are spammy. There's also spammy. You can monitor here. I can choose monitor. Why this is a spammy? Not same domain as the website. This is the edit backlink is bulk. Here is the backlink. You can remove this backlink because this is our spammy backlinks. What happened next to jet? There is automatic backlink from in my site, and this is the graph. How many backlink are referring domain? Backlink is it. Where is the all option? And I also review my another site is this site are a lot of check here. There's a lot of issues for that. Fix error issue, improve meta description, and uh, affected pages. And here is the page direction, how to look like this. There is the issues checking here, and no index. And why no index? There's a zero length, no index text. Here is the all result, and here is the backlink for my site, second site. The backlink. Here is the site tree. You can check here to site tree, overall full site tree, and This is the main site and the site structure. Also, this is called a topical authority site, or what is the main home and category and blog, and who is this for the blog are doing here, what's keyword in the site for this blog or these categories. You can check here, just one slap you can. This is very effective for us. And finally, also a one problem, if you don't integrate it with the Google Search Console or Analytics, that not showing the massive result. So you can try for this issue for you can connect it with the Search Console, Google Search Consoles, and here is the check. You can upgrade your course as per your need. You can check here in the FCMO. I can put in the link in the description below. You can check with this. And finally, that's all. Thank you and enjoy.